Here we go. Laura is in the other room watching Survivor, and I have received my, non-conveyable jigsaw head. Let's check it out. Yeah, right. Not gonna be worth a darn. There it is. Check it out. It's got a little cover they give to you. Well, you'd think it's a cover until you try to get it off. It's on there. Cool beans. All right, so pop these things out. Even has a little picture on there of what you can get. Would you look at that? Okay. There it is. It's a little cumbersome, but looks like an alien. But get a blade in there, and there you go. Oops, don't know what I did. What the heck? Oh, you gotta have that safety. Nope. Did I break it? I think I broke it. Legit, what just happened? Oh, there you go. Sweet. It's got a safety on top. Gotta be smarter than what you're working with. Sweet. So, take their gimme blade. Their gimme. If I can get it out of here. And put her in. Okay. It would make sense if this thing there we go. Look at that. All right, let's cut into the table. You ready? I'm just playing. Well, it looks weird, but hopefully it works. So there she be.